In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A16 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Now click on this icon at the top of your app, and once you do, you will see this pop-up. From it, select Open in split screen view and then tap on the second app you wanna use. As you can see now, I can operate both at once. If you want to go back from this view, you can go back into the background and swipe your apps like you would any other one. You can hold those three dots in the middle, and thanks to them not only resize your apps, but also by dragging one of them all the way up or all the way down. You can exit split view and close the remaining app by tapping on Home button. Quick tip: most people miss that you can always click on those three dots to not only switch places of your apps thanks to those two arrows, but also if you open two apps in split screen view often, you can save this combination by clicking on star icon. After clicking on it, choose Add App to Home Screen, close split screen, and every time you want to use your favorite apps in split screen, click on a shortcut located on your screen. To get rid of it, just hold it and choose Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!